In this video, you'll learn how to add and customize an image gallery for your Canva website. Start by selecting the untitled design from your project list to begin editing your website, and then click the Add page. And delete the background color. Next, open the Elements tab on the sidebar and enter a description in the search field to find the gallery feature you'd like to add. Choose the gallery option from the list to insert a pre-made gallery into your design. Then select a frame thumbnail to customize the gallery and drag the corner to resize your images so they fit perfectly within the layout. Afterwards, switch to the Frames tab to explore more layout options, or click the Uploads icon to add your own images to the gallery. Finally, select a color gradient to give your gallery a custom look that matches your website style. You've now learned how to add and personalize an image gallery on your Canvas site.